Alright, what's up YouTube? We finally made it. Finally got here. We at the spot. I'm trying to really just find a good place to start at. Nigga just got here. For real. So it's good at 6. So I'm probably thinking I should start to this is nice. It's pretty nice, smooth. This shit pretty smooth, huh? Man, that was loud. They going crazy, man. We out here, though. Got the timbers. It's nice. Nice color to it. Nice body work. People doing crazy things with these Civics, man. They're making these Civics go crazy now. People, big shout out to the Civics. It's a nice Mach 1. This weird thing that it's not Mach 1. Got the hood up. Yes, sir. Finna go. Box wheel too. If I want to go, I'm going to go.
I talked to him about
sitting on them. I don't want to get to the side because I don't want to be wrong.
they're not bad. They're not that bad.
Nice here on one right here. We got the ZL one and we got the ZR one right here. ZR1.
These are the wheels that they see. Well, somewhere.
That's the calm performance.
What I like about the I wish the Z was here, dude. I'd be really
Crazy.
The reason I wanted one so bad, man, is because the target's on
It's pretty nice, man. It's pretty nice. Turbo, they gonna dance. Alright. Play with it.
No, not a dealership, right? Chevy cool nobody.
Love the red. It's real style. Super clean. Damn, everything is clean. Oh my god. Wow. That's nice. How many miles on it? 37. 37, almost 40 years old.
So I think it just does compliments.
I haven't seen this purple. This purple's nice.
Yeah.
Got a Hellcat down there. The Mustangs right here. Oh, look at this Nissan GTR. We got a Nissan GTR right here. And it's nice long green.
People do that.
Fuck you, look like my beautiful highlight. This shit's nice. It's very bright. Oh God. That shit loud. See that motherfucker coming at night. Yes, sir. See that. We're gonna actually hit this side, see what's over here, and then we're gonna come back on this side. We're gonna come back. Nice ass setup.
YMCMG, Loader Jet, been a hustler since I.
Yeah, that's just like me. Oh yeah, you ran one far.
This is literally John stuff.
Crazy. Back to back. Damn, this shit clean underneath like a motherfucker. Damn.
Just so he can access everything.
You're fine. It is 3 swab.
They have white transmission.
Okay. That's crazy. That's real crazy. Yeah, as y'all can see, man, there's a lot of cars out here. I ain't gonna be able to hit every car, so I hope y'all not expecting that. But I'm gonna try to. We just have to go through them bitches fast.
Didn't tell the ship, he told her to somebody else. Yeah, that's kind of fucked up.
Got an SIT Dodge right there. They're rare. Very rare. down there. Okay, deep. Yeah, that's a nice chop though. Real nice chop. Real nice chop.
Bar system with the
Never seen no 5.7s, man. I'm gonna have to step the game up for the 5.7s for real. This is nice. Little donuts. I see you. Let's see, I'm probably cut over this way. We got two T7s right here. Old generation, new generation. Back to back.
I remember like 4,000 miles in 6 months.
But I really want to come down here and check out this Z06. This is pretty cool. Two of the old Corvettes right next to each other. That's nice. Real stock. This one I really came over. Side is awesome. Practice side is awesome.
I'm about to beat the shit out the little nigga to beat you right out of love. I might have some sex, I'ma fuck that little bitch booty up. I try to be friends, you wanna be enemies, man.
I'm back there. Yeah, I'm right. I'm like in the first
So I'm
part.
probably gonna walk back up. Probably gonna walk back up. So that was a goddamn mystery.
I mean, is that actually so physical? That's pretty good.
It's a weird adjustment.
That's a nice thing, man. That's a nice. Like I said, I'm gonna try to hit every one. This is clean as shit. Gotta give me a 50. This shit just look mean, bro. Pure race car. Pure race car. Cause it's mean. Yeah, Corvettes are, them bitches look mean, man. I'm gonna hit that lane going down the other way. Here we go, all my anime lovers. I got some animes right now.
Behind the truck or like in front of the truck?
They did some nice rapping on them cars, though, for real. And this motherfucking LS3 swap. This is crazy. This is clean. Yeah, man, this is clean, bro. Like, they hit everything. That's a good job. They did a good job hiding. That take a lot of work to hide all them cords. That's crazy. That's clean. That is crazy. That is crazy. They got the hood scoops. Look at this Nissan GTR. So before we go to the Nissan GTR, we gonna look at the new Nissan Z. I'm digging the new bodywork they did with it. I'm digging the new front end. They made it more aggressive. New driver focus.
This literally looks like a modification suit.
Yeah, we got this Nissan right here, GTR. Nissan just killing the game, bro. Jesus. This is amazing. This is amazing. This is amazing. With the red on red. Red.
That's when I found out it was a damn alternator. Draining.
I don't see them.
That's a switch. I just did that as a secondary just because I was like, you know what? I'm not taking any chances. What if it is draining? Just keep it. Yeah.
This is nice.
It's got this is the block off plate. Most people use this sensor. It's all speed density, which is, I guess, a more accurate way of telling how much air is in.
Yeah, man. This is nice.
But if you have to have an issue,
We're probably gonna cut up this way.
I was like really popular.
We're gonna walk down this way. See what they got for us down there. I see a couple Mustangs, but we're gonna hit that on the way back. Like I said, I'm gonna try to get everything. I'm gonna try. Nice SRT right here. Let's check this out.
We'll lose them.
For the guy.
Big boy 6'1". Yes, sir. Standing nice and strong, man. Standing nice and strong. This is nice. We're gonna hit that on the way back.
Nigga on a little
No
fucking.
fucking way.
Little yip.
No fucking way. Bro. This shit is juiced the fuck up. He juiced this bitch up in the bag. What? These VTECs, bro. These VTECs. He got something. Oh my god. This ain't got 2 bottles. He say he's spraying for days. He's spraying for days. He's spraying. Let's just say quiet.
my mom just sent me.
Sunburst brown.
Well, they got the cars out today, man. Got this Lexus.
Maybe it's yours.
Shout out to the Lexus. I hope this the one with the V8 in it. Got this nice GT. Next to the Celine. Boy, you don't see too many Celines, man, at all. You don't see too many Celines at all. Inside, clean inside. This is a nice Celine. Something sounds real good over there. Somebody's gonna start it up. You got somebody gonna start it up. It sounds really good. That sounds really good. Yeah. really want a Corvette. Like, every time I see one, I be wanting to get one now. Every time. I'm gonna get one though. Watch. But I just wait on it. Grand Sport. That's a little track. Oh, all full sleeves. Nike all full sleeves. All full sleeves.
God almighty.
Why you got the hood up?
Excuse me?
This yours?
Nah, this not mine. Yes, sir.
This is dope ass rap. Yeah, look at Mercedes.
So we gonna cut up, then we gonna cut up that road. I got down. This is nice. Got a Shelby here. It's like it's just It's nice. GC350, Mustang. Wow, that's crazy. That's nice. Real pretty. For the year. This is nice. This is real nice.
Can you read the lines? No, people talk to me different than 14. Like, let's get more technical than I don't know what it is.
615. So yeah, we always got like.
This is crazy.
You got a Stang?
Yeah, I got these actually.
Oh, what? Is it green? Well, you about riding past here, or it's somebody, but I think that's a white girl. Yeah, I've seen the bullets that are.
He was getting mad.
My son really likes that ride.
It's all Mustangs. Like it's like when we.
Yo, I'm texting Bob message. Yeah, I'm texting Bob. Coming out of Waxhaw. You're not coming out of Waxhaw.
Hellcat right here. This is nice.
What do you mean as far as? Oh, 3-pump setup, hydros, yeah.
That's clean, man. That's really nice. I love to hit the highway in this. For real, for real. I love to hit the highway in that. Love to hit the highway in that. For real. That'd be crazy.
The guy came back on
Firebird. Shelby. GTs, 2CC50s. Them exhaust pipes are pretty big though. Them bitches are nice.
I should put one of those bags on mine.
It's pretty clean.
No.
6500.
Just being annoying. Immature. Shit like that.
Alright, y'all, we probably finna hit this next aisle. I still got some juice left. This is nice. Oh, look at this. It's nice. This is nice.
They wanted the car to be original.
Really nice.
No, you can't put Lambo through it.
You can get the back shots. Real nice interior. Carbon fiber. Big brakes. Talking about the track car. This competing with the track car. This really up there. This is nice.
Yep. I run
Nice
into
carbon
Bell
fiber.
like at 5 after. That's when I was
Bagged out.
Next to the coffee.
Desert Storm. It's nice.
Just give it a few years.
I feel like Formula team is only, what, 5 years old?
Oh yeah, no, nobody got anything yet. And the red one.
It's GT. Oh, this is a GTS. Nice color. Real nice blue. So we got a blue one right here. This is yes. Trying to remember what year. Trying to see what year. Yeah, see, this is the older model. Yeah. Older turbo. And you can tell from the front. But look, got them bug eyes. It's real nice. We're gonna make it to the forward, guys. Chill. Nice. Damn. These are fucking juicy. Juicy. Oh my God. This is yeah. That's a good small stuff. We got an older turbo. The old school turbos are amazing, man. lot of power for the car. A lot of power for the weight. And this is an older one than the one we saw down there. I think it was red. Nice car. Let's go. We're gonna hit that side. Still more to go. A lot of walking. Oh, that's nice. I seen one yesterday. This is really nice. That's crazy. All suits and many. Shit probably weighs nothing. Oh, it has a 427 in it. It has a 427. I don't know if I... Oh my god. Sounds really good. Smells good. Smells really good. Smells really good. It's a crowd stopper. That's a crowd stopper for real. That's nice. Is this the Black Series? This is nice. Oh yeah. No, it's alright. Actually, we probably gonna cut over. We can go over there. But I'm probably gonna cut to right here. Excuse me, I think I'm behind you. It's a pretty nice wide body kit. It's a nice wide body kit. I guess it's all buttons. He's juicing now. It's juiced up now. It's nice. 22s. I wonder what size rims are.
I'm taking my girl to Vegas.
This is nice.
Obviously,
Look at the brakes, guys. Y'all don't see them brakes. This is real nice. It's clean, man. It's clean. Oh, we got the... What is this? Nah, this is supposed to be the new version of the California.
I
Leave.
think you need at least a couple thousand subscribers.
This is really nice. It's nice. You don't see too many of these. Dirty. Look at that. That is crazy. That is crazy.
Over there versus that one down there. When I got down there finally, the line was about 30 minutes.
What to bed? And they both gray.
The last time we tried to
fire.
better situation today.
Cream red. What's up, what's up? Cream and red. Then we got the yellow. Not the spiders. I don't really like convertibles. I'm not a big fan. And these got 3 in a row. 1, 2, 3. This cream white. This cream white is where it's at. Yes, sir. Cream white is where it's at. We're gonna get some front shots. Excuse me. We're gonna get some front shots in that cream white. It's nice.
Shows coming up this Saturday. So get it.
The interior, black. It's nice. Oh, we got a How did I not see this? How did I not? Is this a wide body? I love the wide body. It's so wide. I love it.
Yeah, I know I got it.
I don't see too many of these. Nice look under the engine bay. Real clean, real clean. Inside's real clean. Nice gauge shifter. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's real nice. It's real nice. Yes, sir. Dreaming, son. Yes. The white down. The nice white down. It's nice. Then we jump to the old school. That scares a lot of people.
Yeah, the brake light, third brake light.
Yeah, well, was that Scott?
After 19, it's gonna stop.
Look at that. Look how long that engine is. V10.
No,
Another Nissan GTR.
He ended up getting.
This Audi R8. Maserati. 720S. This is a nice, really nice color. This is a nice color. Beautiful, beautiful 720S. This is a real beautiful 720S. For real, guys. Like, videos don't do it justice. They really don't. Videos don't do it justice. Got some pretty nice old schools right there. There's still so many cars, y'all. Is that a Fisker? Whisker? Thought they was done for. Got a black and white 720S. We got this line, Dodge white. Nice and shiny and stuff. Oh my god. You don't see too many of these though. Aston Martins are rare, man. Like, people sleep on the Astons. I don't know why. They real clean, like they real clean. You like James Bond, like. They're nice. Then we got this STO right here, looking all nice and neat. Looking all nice and neat. Look at this is a big.
Like how that
Sexy lean. Bro, I'm telling you guys, video don't do it justice. Look at the bag. Newer model.
Locked him, he would type there every now and again.
Real gentleman's car. Gentleman. Nice. I don't know, she got the V with the V12 and nice Scuderia. We don't see too many of these. Nice. Inside.
No, this is.
That's crazy. You don't see too many of them either. Back to the Future right here. You already know what this is. This is pretty clean. We got a skyline right here. It's a pretty nice skyline. It's pretty clean. Straight six. Two Nissan GTRs right here, back to back, looking real sexy. Real